Hello, beautiful YouTube audience. As promised, I am here to show you exactly how I have been using the Half Size Me community for support and connection. And I want to go ahead and give you a quick tutorial because I see so many people joining online support communities and they're not really using it effectively. So come on and join me as I show you exactly how I do this right on my phone. So I have a folder that I've created called the Half Size Me community. I'm going to click on that. We have our membership in the Discourse Hub and it's downloaded to my phone, so I open that. And then I always go to latest if I'm in my forum, and that brings up my personal blog, usually towards the top. So I'm going to click on that. Now this is my entry from today. I always list my goals at the top. And then what I do is I put in all the bullet points of what it is that I want to cover in the day. So tracking my food, tracking my habits, all those things. And then today's food plan is here. So in order to feel a sense of check-in, I will go ahead and edit this document all through the day. So now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to be adding in a photo of my lunch that I had. And all I have to do is go to upload a photo. I browse my photo library, pick my salad from lunch, hit done, and then it starts to upload it right away. And what you can see here is my breakfast from this morning. Once I've laid out what my plan of action is, whether it's a workout, whether it's food, I want to go ahead and make sure that I check in to show that I'm actually doing the things that I'm saying I'm going to do, right? Like there's no point in posting, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, if you actually aren't doing it. So in your community membership, you want to be checking in like this routinely. This is what I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then, oh, yes, I'm actually doing those things. I'm checking in. And I check in with my calories, my weight, all of those things. So I just want to encourage you, make sure if you're in the Half Size Me community, you've downloaded the Discourse app. It's super easy to use, as I just showed you on this video. And I just want to encourage everybody, if you are on some kind of a online platform for support, don't just lurk. Actually get in there, post things, share what your goals are, your intentions for the day, and check in all through the day. It should be this ongoing thing that you're checking in with continuously. You have a great day, and I'll be back. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, if you want to join the Half Size Me community, we are opening on November the 5th, and it's halfsizeme.com/join. And I'm also giving away a free membership. I released a video earlier today with an update on how I'm doing. I gave you some more insight on how I do this. And if you want to go ahead, go back to that video, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me why you want to be in the Half Size Me community. I'm giving away one membership for free. I'll make the announcement next Saturday. You guys have a great day, and I'll be back with more videos.